Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel at Carrog765. I hope you are all doing great today. If you love classic American cars, muscle car history, and legendary designs from the golden era of Detroit, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we talk about iconic vehicles, their stories, their power, and the emotions they still create even decades later. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a classic car story. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most talked about names in American muscle car history, the legendary 1974 Plymouth Barracuda. The Plymouth Barracuda is not just a car, it is a symbol of an era when American automakers were locked in a battle of horsepower, style, and attitude. By the time 1974 arrived, the Barracuda name had already earned a strong reputation on the streets and drag strips of America. The early 70s were a turning point for muscle cars, with new regulations, rising insurance costs, and fuel concerns slowly changing the industry. Yet, even in 1974, the Barracuda managed to hold onto its aggressive personality and unmistakable presence. When you first look at the 1974 Plymouth Barracuda, you can immediately feel its muscle car DNA. The long hood, the wide stance, and the short rear deck all come together to create a shape that looks ready to launch forward even when standing still. This was part of Chrysler's E-body platform, shared with the Dodge Challenger, and it gave the Barracuda a solid foundation for performance and handling. The design may have been slightly softer compared to the wild early models, but it still carried that bold American attitude. The front end of the 1974 Barracuda featured a clean and confident look. The grille design was simple yet purposeful, flanked by round headlights that gave the car a focused expression. The hood could be ordered with performance options that added to its aggressive appeal, and from the side, the flowing lines and muscular rear fenders reminded everyone that this car was built for power. At the back, the wide taillights and strong rear panel completed a design that was both stylish and intimidating. Inside the cabin, the 1974 Plymouth Barracuda offered a driver-focused environment. It was a place where comfort met performance. The dashboard layout was straightforward, with easy-to-read gauges that told the driver exactly what the car was doing. The seats were designed to hold you firmly in place, especially during spirited driving. While it was not a luxury car by modern standards, it provided everything a muscle car enthusiast needed, with a sense of purpose and simplicity. One of the most important aspects of the 1974 Barracuda was its engine lineup. By this time, emissions regulations had started to affect performance numbers across the industry. However, Plymouth still offered respectable engine options that delivered solid power and a thrilling driving experience. Depending on the configuration, buyers could choose from V8 engines that provided strong torque and that classic American 5.8 sound that enthusiasts still love today. Even with reduced horsepower compared to earlier years, the Barracuda remained a fun and capable performance car. The driving experience of the 1974 Plymouth Barracuda was all about connection. You could feel the road, hear the engine, and sense the power through the steering wheel. This was a car that demanded attention and rewarded confident driving. Whether cruising on the highway or accelerating away from a stoplight, the Barracuda delivered a feeling that modern cars often struggle to replicate. It was raw, honest, and full of character. What makes the 1974 Barracuda especially interesting is its place in muscle car history. It represents the final chapter of the classic Barracuda lineup before Plymouth discontinued the model. This gives the 1974 version a special kind of importance. It stands as a reminder of the end of an era, when muscle cars were forced to adapt or disappear. Because of this, the 1974 Barracuda has gained respect among collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its historical value. Over the years, the Barracuda has become a favorite in car shows and classic car gatherings. Owners take pride in restoring and preserving these machines, keeping their legacy alive for future generations. Seeing a 1974 Plymouth Barracuda on the road today is a rare and exciting experience. It instantly draws attention and sparks conversations among car lovers of all ages. Younger fans admire its bold design, while older enthusiasts remember a time when these cars ruled the streets. The cultural impact of the Barracuda cannot be ignored. It has appeared in movies, magazines, and popular car culture discussions for decades. The name itself carries weight and respect. When someone mentions a Barracuda, people immediately think of American muscle, Mopar power, and a rebellious spirit. The 1974 model may not have been the most powerful, but it still carried that legendary name with pride. From a collector's point of view, the 1974 Plymouth Barracuda is an interesting investment. While earlier high-performance models often steal the spotlight, the later versions are becoming more appreciated as time goes on. Their rarity, combined with their historical significance, makes them attractive to collectors who understand their value. A well-maintained or properly restored 1974 Barracuda can be a real gem in any collection. What truly sets the Barracuda apart is the emotional connection it creates. This is not just about numbers or specifications. It is about the feeling you get when you see one, hear it start, and imagine driving it down an open road. It represents freedom, individuality, and a time when cars were designed to make a statement. The 1974 Plymouth Barracuda captures that spirit beautifully. Even today, the influence of the Barracuda can be seen in modern muscle cars. Designers and engineers often look back at these classics for inspiration. The idea of a powerful, rear-wheel drive coupe with bold styling is still very much alive. The Barracuda helped shape that tradition, and its legacy continues to inspire new generations of car enthusiasts. For fans of Mopar, the Barracuda holds a special place in their hearts. It stands alongside other legendary names and proves that Plymouth knew how to build cars that people would remember for a lifetime. The 1974 model, despite the challenges of its time, remained true to its roots and delivered an authentic muscle car experience. As we look back at the 1974 Plymouth Barracuda, it is clear that this car deserves appreciation and respect. It may not have been the fastest or the most powerful, but it carried a legacy that few cars can match. It represents the resilience of American muscle during a period of change and uncertainty. It reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. If you are someone who loves classic cars, muscle car history, or just great automotive stories, the 1974 Barracuda is a perfect example of why these machines matter. They are more than metal and engines. They are memories, dreams, and symbols of a different time. Thank you for spending your time with me here on at Carog 765. I truly appreciate your support and your passion for classic cars. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with fellow car lovers. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to keep celebrating legendary cars like the 1974 Plymouth Barracuda. Until next time, keep the love for classic cars alive and drive safe.